Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Hive Thermostat. Before starting, turn off the power supply to your boiler by switching off the circuit breaker or remove the fuse that powers the unit. If you have an existing thermostat, remove it carefully. Now position the Hive thermostat backplate on the wall and use a level to ensure it is straight. Mark the drill holes and use a drill to create unnecessary holes. If mounting on tile or hard surface, use tile drill bit to prevent cracks, then secure the backplate using screws. Refer to the write-in diagram provided with your combi boiler and identify the necessary wires, as color codes may vary by manufacturer. Strip the protective coating from the wire ends and twist them together if needed, then connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the Hive backplate. Just note that wiring might differ based on your combi boiler model. If unsure, consult a heating engineer for guidance. Align the thermostat pins with the holes on the backplate and gently press the thermostat place until it clicks securely. Restore power by switching on the circuit breaker or resetting the fuse. The Hive thermostat will power up and display a welcome message. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including connecting the device to your home network. Download the Hive app on your smartphone or tablet and use the app to control your heating system remotely. Set schedules and customize settings for optimal efficiency. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.